Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve Leetcode problem 212, which is word search 2. So we are given an m into n board of characters and a list of strings. Return all words on the board. Each word must be constructed from letters of sequentially adjacent cells, where adjacent cells are horizontally or vertically neighboring. The same letter cell may not be used more than once in a word. Okay, so this is our example one. This is the board which is given, and words are oath, pee, eat, and rain. We need to find which all words are present in the board. So we can see oath is there, okay, and eat is also there. So we can only go in either in horizontal direction and vertical direction. So oath you can see here and eat you can see here. In example 2, this is our board and words are A, B, C, B. Output is 0 because we cannot go from A, B, C and C to B again. Okay, so let's write the code. So let's have our rows is equals to length of board. Let's have our number of columns is this. Okay, let's create a node class as well. So we will be using try data structure to solve this problem. Let's have a constructor. So the children is a empty dictionary and word is set to none. So let's have a add function. It will add word. So current is basically self. Now for ch in word, if ch not in current dot children, then we are basically going to do current dot children of ch is equals to node of ch. Current is equals to current dot children of ch. At the end, cur dot word is equals to word. Okay, now let's create a root object which is node like this. Let's add all the words in the root object. For w in words, root dot add w. Okay, root dot add w. Like this. Now let's have our result, which is a set. Let's have this result. Let's create a dfs function which will take r comma c comma visit comma basically the node. So is less than if r is less than 0 or c is less than 0, basically we are checking the boundary conditions here, or r is greater than equals to rows or c is greater than equals to columns, or r comma c is already there in the visit, or uh, yes, board of this r and c not present in node dot children. then we are going to simply return from here. Otherwise, let's add it into our visit set, visit.add r comma c node is equals to node.children of board rc. If node.word, then we are going to add this word. Okay, now let's use the this breadth. So we will copy this. Okay, now r plus 1, r minus 1, c plus 1, c minus 1, and at the end we are going to do visit dot remove of rc. Okay, now so this is our dfs function. Rows and columns are already there. So for r in range of rows, for c in range of columns, so let's call this function dfs of rc, and visit is set to empty set and node is set to root. At the end we can have our result and we'll convert it to list. Run the code. Okay, okay, we are not pass, we don't need to pass here. Okay, run the code now. Okay, as you can see, it is working fine. All the test cases are passed. Let's submit the code. So the code is accepted, our algorithm is working fine, and all the test cases are passed. Okay, so yeah, I mean, this algorithm is working fine. You can take this code from here. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.